हमारे 4-5 बच्चे हैं और हमारे बहन है, 7 बहन था, 3 बहन का शादी कर दिया हूँ, 4 बहन का कर दिया हूँ सॉरी, अभी 3 बचे हुए हैं। हमारे 4 लड़कियाँ भी हैं। तो ये सब अगर हम लोग का कमाए अगर ऐसे ही बैठा बैठी होगा तो उन लोग का क्या होगा जो हमारे पीछे जिसका पेट चलता था, उस बच्चे लोग का क्या होगा जो हम कमा के देते थे तो बच्चे लोग मेरे घर पे खाते थे, उसको कौन देगा बताइए आप। जब इस तरह से गाड़ी खड़ा हो जाएगा तो हमारा गाड़ी नहीं चलेगा तो हमारे बच्चे लोग भूखा मरेगा कि नहीं मरेगा।
This is the situation of thousands of truckers who transport vehicles for the automobile industry and can give their families a meal only if the vehicles exit showrooms. The slowdown in sales of passenger and commercial vehicles has hit all associated sectors of the industry, including logistics firms. American credit ratings company Moody's had recently warned that truck operators would be adversely impacted by the economic slowdown in the country. Moody's has said that the operators might soon face a reduction in their revenues, which in turn will weaken their ability to repay loans.
Generally, automobile industry only the backbone of the transport industry. Once automobile down, everything will be down. Now, in the automobile concern, all the inbound, outbound, totally flap. Past 3 months, every month slowly get down. Now, fully drop down for inbound and outbound. These all transporters are affected. Who's carrying in container carrier, the automobile parts, the just dial, onward and immediate delivery, everything is stuck. Apart from that, that real who's taking the cars by the truck, they affected more. So container car, open truck, which are taking the parts plus CBU vehicle, finished goods vehicles, CBU, that also get really affected. 99% now there is no movement at all.
Along with truck operators, their workers too have been affected by the slowdown. It is not only container trucks which are standing idle in yards, but also their drivers. Truck drivers get a meager 200 rupees every day to manage their food expenses. In the last 1 year, the drivers say they have been getting very few trips and facing a lot of problems. Truckers usually transport cars from one place to another and drive back with vehicles produced there. But due to the shortage in sales and production, they are forced to stay in other states for a long time.
सब जगह अभी देखिए पूना गए, वहाँ पे मैं करीब नहीं भी तो 1 महीना 5 दिन यानी 35 डेज मैं उधर बैठ के आया। ठीक है, बीच में दिल्ली गया, दिल्ली में 1 महीना बैठ के आया। ये सब क्या है? जहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ पे 1 महीना बैठ जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? हफ्ते में 1 दिन होटल को खोलेंगे, 6 दिन नहीं खोलेंगे तो होटल चलेगी? कस्टमर भटक जाएगा।
Apart from the slowdown, the truckers say rail freight transport too has affected their livelihoods. They say transporting of vehicles via trains will hit not only their jobs but also the businesses of hundreds of people on the roadside who offer them various services.
ट्रेन से क्या, ट्रेन से माल आती है तो सरकार को बेनिफिट होती है, एक ही आदमी को बेनिफिट हुआ। और हम ड्राइवर भाई 50 गाड़ी से वो कार लेके आते हैं तो 50 घर वो चलता है। 50 घर में कितने फैमिली आगे विकास की ओर जाते हैं, कितने लोग परिवार को दिल में सुकून मिलती है, खुशी होती है, कितने आदमी को मेंटेनेंस होता है। तो ये चीज़ सोचना चाहिए ना। और हम ड्राइवर भाई चलते हैं तो हमारे वजह से कितने लोग तरक्की करते हैं। हमारा टायर पंचर होता है तो उसकी वजह से टायर मिस्त्री को बेनिफिट, हम जिस होटल में खाते हैं तो उस होटल को बेनिफिट, हम जिस होटल में कपड़ा खरीदने जाते हैं तो वो बेनिफिट। तो हमारे 50 गाड़ी रुकने के कारण एक ट्रेन है।
Due to a decrease in the number of trips, drivers have started returning to their hometowns.
There is no business. There is no business, so driver they don't want to stay in the truck long time. 1 month, 25 days, 30 days stay. They don't want to stay in the long time. So they want to leave the truck and they want to go home. Only for food, worker cannot stay in the vehicle. So he'll start move on from the vehicle, then vehicle get idle. Even I get a business, I cannot move my vehicle without driver. That problem is started now.
But truckers say they have expertise only in driving and will face the same situation even if they are employed by any other truck operator.
सबका यही प्रॉब्लम है। तो अगर मैं ये गाड़ी छोड़कर चलाऊंगा वो गाड़ी तो उसका भी तो वही हाल रहेगा। आखिर तो गाड़ी चलाना है हमको, कोई नौकरी तो नहीं है सरकारी नौकरी। जो नहीं भी चलेगा, काम चले ना चले, मेरे को सरकार देगा, ऐसा तो भी तो नहीं है हम लोग के पास। प्राइवेट नौकरी करता हूँ, ये बात है ना।
To ease the ongoing crisis, truck operators expect that the government and finance firms lend them a helping hand.
Overall, truck is lying in the each and everywhere, all over India. So only government and everybody will help, then our growth will be moved, then only the problem will solve. So everybody should help to the automobile, then all industry will grow. And this is the festival season. We need maximum flexible from the finance company also and the government also. This is going to sort out the industry problem.
While truckers were sending a few thousands to their families earlier, now they are struggling to save even a few hundreds for themselves, with only one expectation: when will the Achedan come back?